Still it is not visible, guys. Or loaded.
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Just 1 second. Can you all see the word application? Can you all see the word application or not? Please confirm me, guys.
Sir, see.
Yes, sir.
You can see now all. Yes or no, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, it was visible, right?
Yeah.
Guys, come here. Here we're having a concept called current liability, right? In the balance sheet. The current liabilities, we're having one fellow. He's nothing but creditor. Creditors are nothing but suppliers, right? And these fellow suppliers are nothing but vendors. Is it clear? So to the same person, creditor, we're calling suppliers and vendors. Okay, there is no change. Is it clear? No. Usually you will get products within the India, outside the India, and to meet demand and supply, you will purchase temporarily, right? Let us take example M&M organization, Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, there is an organization called Tech Mahindra. It is Indian-based organization, right? Now
Yes, sir.
it wants to procure material. So within the India, whoever provides to all fellows we used to call domestic vendors. And from outside of the India, whoever sending inputs to the Tech Mahindra, we used to call international vendors. And to meet demand and supply, we usually purchase from temporary vendors. So we used to call to the temporary vendors as one-time vendors. Is it clear? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No doubt. No doubt.
No, sir. Clear.
No. Guys, here, whenever we do the transaction, for each and every vendor, we used to give one separate identification number as we had given in GL account group. In the same way, for each different account group, we create 3 different number range, and we'll assign the particular number range. And whenever we create the particular vendor, the system picks automatically. Next, we're having reconciliation accounts. Usually, you can see in +1 and +2, or graduation, or CA inter, or sorry, CA foundation, or CMA foundation, there will be a concept called reconciliation accounts. In reconciliation accounts, what you guys will find, it is nothing but reconciliation of cash and cash book and bank passbook, right? Here, a vendor account group. And also we're having one concept called tolerance. In GL also we had seen no tolerance. Why we used to create tolerance to put limit value does the transaction. Next, here we told you that document type concept, right? Here these document types are used to distinguish the accounting transaction with the business transaction, accounting document with the business transaction. Here you can see three different business transactions like KZ, KA and KR. So depends on your transaction, these documents were defined, and each document is identified, predefined with a separate number like KZ15, KA17 and KR19. Whenever you post a related transaction, the system picks with this number range, number interval. So here, as many as vendor account groups you create, like a domestic, international one time, you has to create same number of business partner account groups. You don't apply partnership act, guys. Here in SAP, business partners are nothing but vendors and customers. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubts? So
No.
after create, yeah, please. Any doubts? Okay. Here, as many as vendor account groups you create, the same number of business partner account groups you has to create. Then you has to assign vendor account group to business partner group, account group. So in SAP, while you make a configuration to the business partner account group, we used to call grouping. What we call, guys, grouping. This grouping is nothing but business partner account group. Then you has to assign with one another. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubts? Yeah, Ramesh. Any doubts?
No, sir, no queries.
Okay. Padmaja, is it clear, madam? Madhu,
Yes. Yes.
Sir. No, sir.
is it clear?
No doubt. Yes, sir.
Krishna Reddy, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Ashok?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see the configurations. Can you all see the word application now?
Yes, audible. Visible.
Screen not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. It's
Visible or not, guys? Please confirm me.
sir, visible, sir. Visible.
Configurational steps
Sir, it's not visible, sir.
is not
Sir,
visible.
it's
Just do
not
one.
visible, sir.
Okay, okay. Please mute your mics, guys.
Okay.
I'll check it once. Thank you all. Now, guys,
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
now
Yeah,
okay,
sir. It's visible.
okay. So, everyone, please note it down the points, guys. Define vendor account groups. We could use OBD3. What kind of account groups we create? Domestic, international, and one time. Domestic vendor account group, comma, international vendor account group, comma, one-time vendor account group. Next, we create number range interval for different account groups. Define number range interval for different account groups. We code xk and 1. Next, assign number range interval to vendor account groups. We code obas. Next, define reconciliation accounts. We code fs00. Next, define tolerance for vendors. We code OBA3. Next, define document type. We code OBA7. And the document type should be KZ, vendor payment, the number 15. AA, vendor document, number 17. K or vendor invoice 19. Next, define here. Earlier what we done, we define the account group, then we define the number range. But when it comes to business partner, it will be reverse. Define business partner, define number range interval for business partner account group. We code BUCF. Next, define grouping and assign number range interval. We'll go with the path. It's PRO. SAP reference IMG, cross application components, SAP business partner, business partner, basic settings, the number ranges and grouping, then define grouping and assign number ranges. Next, assign vendor account group to business partner grouping, to business partner account groups. Bracket will write down grouping. So this is the basic configuration, guys. Please note it down all these 9 points in your notes. Okay, we'll move one by one. And here, please keep in mind one thing. Yes, in ECC, creation of business partner configuration is not mandatory. But in ECC also we can find business partner configurations. So here we create business partner first of all. Then we convert him to vendor under FI. So to the vendor I used to call supplier also, right? As well as you can create under MMs. So for under MM point of view, we just used to call only supplier. So to create business partner under general role, we use a role number 6 times 0. And to create under FI role, we use a business partner role FLVN00. And to create under MM point of view, we use role FLVN01. Is it clear, guys? So first of all, you have to create a business partner, then you have to convert into supplier, is nothing but vendor. For vendor under FI, we use role FLVN00. And under the MM point of view, we use the role FLVN01. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next. Guys, how many of you know current assets? In balance sheet, how many of you know current assets?
Land and buildings, furniture.
Yeah, land, all those things, land and building, all those things in a fixed asset. Now, in current asset, what you can see: cash in hand, cash at bank,
Cash at bank.
Shares.
Share.
stocks, debtors, right? All these things, right? Now, I want to give, I am intended to give some amount as down payment to vendor. Why we give down payment to the vendor? He provides us inputs, right?
Yeah.
So guys, here, whenever we give down payment, it has to be moved from cash or bank when you pay the cash. Okay, when you follow the barter system, then you will obviously pay stock in trade, right? Now here, whatever the amount you are transferring from this, it is nothing but current asset, right? So whatever the down payment you give to the particular vendor, we used to create under current assets. If the vendor doesn't sends any inputs, we have the right to take the amount back. Is it clear? Yes or no, guys? Whatever the down payment we are giving to the vendor, we create under current asset. Is it clear or not? Anyone having any doubts?
No queries.
Ashok, Madhu, Ramesh, Padmaja, Srikant. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Now, one more thing we have, guys. Here, vendor, either customer to customer, or we can say every business partner, either it might be vendor or customer, terms and conditions will vary. Now, our vendor wants to give the discount. Earlier, I used to purchase a particular product at 100 rupees. Now, he is providing me the particular product at 70 rupees. Now, because of this transaction, am I getting profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit. How much? 30 rupees, right?
Yes.
30
So
rupees.
we has to create the particular discount GL, what we are getting from the vendor under income. Is it clear? It is a profit. It is nothing but income, right?
Yes.
Okay. Here, down payments and terms and condition configurations. So there will be only explanation, guys. I will not enough. First one. Create. Guys, I had one more doubt. Whatever you give the down payment, can I call advance?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Create advance to vendor GL account. Under T code FS00 under current asset. And activate reconciliation account. Next. Assign advance to vendor GL account to different reconciliation account groups. Okay. The T code we use OBYR. Next. Create payment terms. T code we use OBV8. Next. Assign payment terms to vendor. Use T code BP. Create discount from vendor GL account under FS00. Assign discount to vendor GL account for automatic posting. T code we use OBX. Sorry, OBXU. So these configurations always see in the next session, and also regarding unit testing also will give the notes. First one, price invoice for advance to vendor. C code F dash 48. Price invoice, price purchase invoice. C code F dash 43. Next, clear advance. C code F dash 54. Clear purchase invoice. C code F dash 53. Next, to view document, we use T code FB03. To view vendor balance, T code FK10, and to view line item display, vendor line item display, we use T code FBL1 and okay. These are the things, but you guys has to make notes. Tomorrow we'll complete all this configuration. Regarding today's session, if anyone having any doubts, please raise the queries.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll see all this configuration in the SAP server access, guys. And in the next session we'll complete this accounts payable.
Okay.
Everyone, please prepare the notes, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. సార్ ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ లో లాస్ట్ యూనిట్ టెస్టింగ్ అనే టీ కోడ్స్ ఏం రాలేదు స్టూడెంట్స్.